To get started, first press on the extension. We have 4 functions in this extension. We will use extract listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply press Add to Export List. Then scroll down and go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the details of this seller. To do this, go to the extension. Then press Extract Seller Details. Then press Add to Export List. You can do this as many times as you want for different sellers. So for example, I went to the seller page. Then press Add to Export List. And that's it. Now to export this, press Export Data. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.